Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Highly contagious bird flu found at NJcommercialfarm. A case of highly pathogenic avian influenza, bird flu, was recently identified at a commercial bird farm in Burlington County, New Jersey. The farm has been quarantined to prevent the spread of the disease, and deliveries of new poultry have been paused. Operations will resume after a thorough cleaning and disinfection. Bird flu is a contagious viral disease that primarily affects domestic and wild birds, but can also infect some mammals, including humans, in rare cases. While the current public health risk is low, people who have direct contact with infected animals should take precautions, such as wearing personal protective equipment. No known person-to-person spread has occurred with the bird flu virus is currently spreading in birds in the US and globally. Since the beginning of the bird flu outbreak in 2022, 186 million birds have been affected nationwide. Anyone who suspects bird flu in livestock should contact the New Jersey Department of Agriculture, and anyone who suspects bird flu in a human should contact the local health department, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.